Hi, welcome to my 3-minute video series on B2B sales and on digital marketing.
In this video, we will discuss how to make your cold emailing work for you. So how does it work? All of us send hundreds of emails on a daily basis. Use that as one of the main channels in demand generation. However, the response rate is pretty low and does not even meet the needs of filling up the top of the funnel to fulfill the sales metric. Can we look at it? Why is it happening? Let's step back a little. Sending emails has become so easy for us because finding email IDs of decision makers is now a science. Worst case, paid database make it still easier. Teams need not work in multiple time zone. Email automation tools have made it easy and cost effective to send tens of thousands of emails at one shot with little effort. Having said that, is cold emailing as effective as it sounds? Does it produce results that easily? No. You have to understand that if we can do it so easily, all our competitors can also send hundreds of similar emails to the same buyers they are attempting to sell and begin producing results easily as well. So let's look at it from the buyer's perspective now. A typical buyer, poor guy, gets a few hundreds of solicitation emails daily. This is in addition to the hundreds of internal emails that they get. So hence the chances of your buyer seeing your emails first of all is extremely less. Even if they see it, the chances of them opening up your email is also less because there are too many emails fighting for their attention within the few minutes that they would have to check the emails. How do you make your emails work for you? Start with the contextual subject line. Once you've identified the buyer persona, state the benefit that you would be able to give them in the subject line. Instead of saying, for example, company name expertise, state the benefit of what you would be able to offer them. So the main reason people open up your emails are the subject liners. There are spam filters that are being set up by your buyers to keep your emails away. So your email should be devoid of anything that is commercial in nature. So the spam filters has an algorithm of checking the ISP, title, content and the words at a high level. So once your buyers click your email and would open it, your introductory email should be educative and not be commercial in nature or be talking about your capability. So doing this will give the buyer a perspective that you're another company trying to sell, which will make them move on to the next email if it's completely commercial. So inside the email, after doing a contextual title, spin a story. Allow the buyer to visualize how they will benefit out of the product or service than sounding factual and giving a list of custom services that you offer. So most importantly, the next step, after the email has been sent, buyers click your link and will check your website. So for emails to give the desired result, the landing page or the web page should also be contextual to the email, to the subject line, and therefore should educate the buyer more than what the email did. The next step or a call to action is an important aspect in the email. As marketeers, you should let the buyer know that what you would like for them to do after they've initially read the email. So this can be a call to action of 15-minute discussion, clicking a link, liking you on social media, to name a few. So doing this will get your emails to look and to sound better to your buyers if they would see your email, and will be motivate them to open it, to read it and to get in touch with you. So following a few simple steps as discussed above will help your email response rates become a little higher. Connect with ScoVelo Consulting either on the blog or on the social media channels and get the latest insights on B2B sales and on digital marketing. Excited to connect with you again on the next video or on the next blog. Thank you.